Hey, Jody Walters here, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. Today we're aboard the Harris 200 fishing series. This is a 20-foot pontoon rigged out for fishing. You notice you've got 4 rod holders, 2 in front, 2 in the rear. We've also got Harris's patented bracing system for the doors for safety. Takes up about 400 pounds. We have a already wired and ready for your trundle motor of your choice. Got the nice vinyl wood plank floor. Comes with live well in the front and another pouch there for all your tackle. 2 pop-up speakers, cup holders everywhere. Got bench seating, 10-foot awning. Comes standard with the Simrad already installed with the Polk stereo system. Simrad covers your GPS as well as your depth finder, your charts, and your depth sounder. Got speakers all throughout, cup holders for a great day of fishing. All the seats swivel around so you can articulate them in where you can have a nice picnic lunch. Also have your fish bait station here with your gauge, live well, another 4 rod holders. Powered with a super efficient Mercury 115 Pro XS with an oversized prop to give you plenty of torque, get you up to the water. One thing with the pontoons, they draw very little water, so you're fishing in 1 foot of water. Come see me, MarineMax, Panama City Beach, Florida. I'm Jody Walters, 850-708-1317. See you on the water. Thanks.